Hey guys, CC here, back with another video for the channel. Today's video is a little bit different. Welcome to In the Kitchen with CC. So today we'll be making some nice mango juice, Caribbean style, Jamaican style. You only need 3 ingredients: your mangoes, you need your ginger, and you need some lime. That's it. Now let's talk about the equipment we'll be using. I'll be using my Ninja blender as well as my portable blender. I want to see how convenient this little thing is. You also need your strainer and a jug, and I just have some empty bowls here for the trash, for the skin, seed, and stuff like that. Let's get started. Once you got your equipment and ingredients together, you're going to make sure your fruits are clean, make sure you wash them properly. Then you could begin cutting everything up. And guys, the mangoes we'll be using for today's video are hairy mangoes. This is what we have access to currently. But my favorite mangoes are East Indian mango and Blackie mango. I love me some Blackie mango. That's what we call it in Jamaica. I'm not sure if that's what they call it elsewhere, but rest assured, any mango you use, you'll definitely get some nice, delicious mango juice. And apart from tasting so good, mangoes are extremely beneficial. We'll be discussing some of the benefits of drinking mango juice later in this video, so stick around for that. Don't judge guys, but I'll definitely be enjoying my mango seeds later off camera. Now it's time to cut up our ginger. So I'm cleaning it up a bit. I'm taking off those dark, ugly areas of the gingers that I don't like. Then I'm just gonna give it a few chops. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with these mangoes. I'll see you guys when we get back in the next clip. Okay guys, so we're back. I'm finished with the mangoes. This was about 10 to 12 mangoes. Sounds like a lot. Go ahead and add the mangoes to your blender. While we do this, let's get into some benefits of drinking mango juice. Now let's add some water to our blender and start blending. Almost there guys. That was a lot of mangoes, so we need to add good amount of water to our blenders. Now we're gonna add our ginger to our blenders. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make the ginger a little bit smaller for the portable blender. That should be it. This is gonna taste so good, you guys. Now we're set and all ready to go. I normally pulse maybe once or twice, and then I let it run. Moment of truth guys, now it's time to use the portable blender. Just press the on button located at the bottom and look at it go. Yeah. So at this point, I'm just tilting the blender up and down because I want to make sure that the ginger is getting caught in the blade, getting sliced up and blend. Okay guys, finally finished with the blending part. Now it's time to strain our juice. Grab that strainer and just pour the liquid portion by portion, and then we'll use a spoon to help feed the liquid through the strainer. And of course we're doing this because we just want the liquid. I'm gonna go ahead and continue straining, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. We are almost there guys. This time I mean it. Okay, we're back again. I finished straining the mango. Now we just need to add the lime juice. I normally use 1.5 limes, sometimes 2, but definitely take into consideration the amount of juice that you're making. Not me struggling with these limes though. I hate hard limes with no juice. If you want it to be super healthy, you don't have to add any sweetener, but I'll definitely be adding some sugar to mine. Maybe 3 to 4 spoons. Remember guys, don't judge. So the juice in our portable blender will remain unsweetened. This will be the healthier version of our mango juice, and I just restart the blender just to mix the lime that we added last. We're finally finished guys. We're at the end. This mango juice is about to taste so good. Let's have a taste. It is good you guys. Now let's taste the healthier version of our mango juice. It's actually good. It's refreshing. I taste a lot of ginger. So as you could see, this portable blender is quite convenient and very easy to use. So I'll definitely be using it more often. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you get the chance to try this recipe and enjoy some mango juice. It's summertime, it's mango season, why not?